Hi there everyone. Today we're driving a 2004 Nissan Maxima SE. Let's fire her up. And let's go take a look outside. I know a lot of you have been asking me for this car, but hopefully I will find a 2007 soon too. But this is an 04. This is also a rear trim. This is the SE with a sunroof. I think it's called the panoramic here, and the cloth seats. I mean, as long as this car mechanically is fine, that's all that matters. Obviously it's been through some rough times, but still, look at that. Soft touch materials everywhere, here. Very pleasant cloth material. And sitting in the back, wow, does it feel great. I actually love it here. Plenty space, plenty of headroom. I love the headrests. It feels very nice to be in the back. You got the AC vents, cup holders, and everything is just pleasant. We also got the side airbags. Let's go take a look at the trunk and the engine now. Take this Maxima for a spin. All right, trunk and engine. Let's start with the engine first, actually. So here we have the VQ35, Nissan's legendary V6. I think this is what, 250 or 60 horsepower, something like that. Have to check. Let's check the trunk. Plenty spacious. And you can see how similar the trunk space is in the Maxima and the Ultima, that even the same mat fits them. But lots of space on the back. Let's hop into the driver's seat. So hopping in here, gotta say, super comfy front seats. Super similar to the ones in the 2013 through 2018 Ultima, the zero gravity ones. These feel about the same. We got the CD player, the cassette, dual zone climate, trip meter, just a very basic screen, and it still has the cover on it too. Okay, light advisor, the light doesn't work. Extendable shade, these work too. We got a, I don't know, glasses holder. Getting out, I don't know what that is. Maybe it is a glasses holder. A sunroof, a huge and very vertical sunroof. Huh, nice. Let's do a wiper test. We have washer fluid in there, all is good. Nice and loud horn. But let's take this baby for a drive. These are definitely my favorite Nissans, just from the early 2000s era. While I don't have anything against the CVT, I don't know, this is just super cool. These old automatics, I think this is the 4-speed, and it sounds so good. Shifts are nice and smooth. I don't feel any issues with that. And I will have to keep the window open because the AC here unfortunately doesn't blow cold. It's very hot today, so we're just gonna have to live with that. not bad. It can move. It definitely gets up to speed just fine. And the ride is nice and smooth, comfortable. It's a very nice car. LMAO with these green calipers. Gosh, that is one loud ST, I gotta tell you that. But this Maxima moves really well. Brakes also feel okay. Drives really nice. But let's come back now the other way and do some backroad driving and test the acceleration here as well. Amazing. Honestly, absolutely amazing for 04 Maxima with a 4-speed automatic. It can move. For sure. Then we also have the manual mode here too. So if you're trying to, wait, is this actually a 4-speed or a 5-speed? No, this is actually a 5-speed, never mind. This is a 5-speed. I'm like, this is too good to be a 4-speed. Not gonna squeeze in through that. Oh well. Oh well, this is gonna be really fun. We're just gonna do our acceleration test right here, right by the beamers. See how quickly they get around us. That's an M240i right there. Fast car. Let's go! Not bad, hey, not bad at all for 2004 Maxima. All right, so 0 to 60 came in 7.2 seconds valid, 0 to 62 in 7.57, 1/8 mile 9.89 at 73.10. We didn't get to the full quarter mile, but we trapped more than 90 on that. That was great. So yeah, that summarizes the performance section of the test drive. And of course, that was a ton of fun with that M240i. Seriously, if that was a 230i, that would have been a better race. But I mean, hey, like either way, not bad. Not bad against an M240i. A new one, like a new one especially, because they are fast. Those are fast cars. And for this car, after all these years, I don't know what gas is in here. I don't know what the mechanical condition. It's still doing about 7 seconds 0 to 60 easily. It's not even with the best traction or the best tires. What a beast of a car this is, seriously. I wish they still made cars like this. And this is not even the 2009 or up, because those are even faster. And the sound, it's phenomenal. It sounds great, it drives great, and it's just such a nice ride. But you know, I feel like we may give it one more chance with the 0 to 60 if we have time. Backroad handling is very nice. It drives well, steers nicely, has good feedback in the steering wheel. But I definitely do want to give it another go on the 0 to 60. See how we can do. Maybe we can do better. But that was a good race though. A really good race. I just want to see what this car can do ideally without any stress around me. But that was a lot of fun, let me tell you that. I really enjoyed that pool with that 2 series. That was a lot of fun. All right, let's come out here and do our quick run while there's no traffic. All right, let's come right over here. All right. Come to a full stop, reset the Dragy. 3, 2, 1. Oops, nope, bad. Let's do it one more time. 3, 2, 1. All right, that should be enough. All right, 0 to 60 in 6.86. That is our best for today. 0 to 62 in 7.21, and the 1/8 mile at 9.73 at 73.69. So again, very, very consistent time. A couple of tenths better than we did before. But wow, for 2005, that is incredible. With, I don't even know what the real mileage on this car is, or this is the real mileage, I don't know. But it runs beautifully. You can definitely say this car has not lost any horses throughout the years. It's pretty much running what it would run brand new from the factory after all these years. And see, it's not about who wins or loses or who, you know, accelerates faster. It's about just having fun having it safely and everybody's in a good mood, you know? It's about participation. That's what I think matters. And you know, I don't ever endorse any street racing or anything, but you know, a couple of friendly pulls here and there off a light, you know, as long as it's safe for everybody else, there's nobody around, no people, you know, it's always cool to have a little fun. But thank you so much for watching, everyone. Make sure to let me know what you thought about this test drive. I hope you all had a lot of fun today, but make sure to smash that like and subscribe button, and till next time.